Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today to show you a beautiful trailer. This is an Apex from Coachmen and they're an ultralight trailer. They're typically kind of little guys. This one's actually quite big and roomy. It's called a 290 RLDS. That's a rear lounge with 2 slide outs, rear lounge double slide. It's gorgeous inside. Follow me and I'll show it to you. The thing about these trailers is that everybody wants something with a great deal of room. This is your trailer. This has got opposing slides. The slides go out on both sides of the trailer and we get a nice big island kitchen. Now if you look at this, this is a really useful space because we've got power and electric there. We've got storage down below and on the front. And we've got a great big double sink built in right here with a recessed sink lid. It's a one-piece solid surface countertop with a single handle faucet. This is kind of nice. People get out of line, you can give them a squirt and shut them up. It's nice. Down here, you look in the galley and you see stove with a glass front and an oven with a glass top stove. Got a nice big fridge and freezer, microwave, all with the stainless steel package. And then back here, this is kind of the star of the show right here. This social area, we have a rear lounge, so we have big beautiful windows back here letting in a lot of light, giving us a view of the things out back of our campsite like the ocean or the mountain. And we have recliners built here. These kick back and relax. They've got cup holders and little center armrests. And then you've got a couple of other recliners over here. And sitting over here, I'm looking at the TV set. I've got the fireplace, and this is an electric fireplace, and it's really neat because you can really heat this area without burning propane. It's a lot quieter than a forced air furnace, so it's a lot more pleasant to use. If you're at a campsite with electricity, you can save your propane and really have a nice, warm, beautiful heat in your coach. So now the social area, the TV, and the fireplace are all in the right area. That's nice. Now up here, we've got a dinette booth, and this is folded down right now so you can see that it will make a bed just by simply folding these cushions across. You can make sleeping for an adult here. And then as we move up into this area, we've got a little storage up on top, more counter space here. And then look back in here. It's got a really nice bathroom with a step-in shower. A lot of times people sort of don't want a bathtub in their trailers because they don't really have that much hot water. And step-ins are a lot easier to get in and out of. Then we come up here, we got a beautiful bedroom. Queen walk-around bed. Got a window in the front, which is quite unusual. That lets in a lot of light, makes it a real pleasant space. Doesn't feel so congested and dark. Even an extra chest of drawers, cabinets here at the very end. So the inside of this trailer is roomy, it's light, it's a good social space. If you wanted to stay in it for a period of time, you would love it in here. It's very comfortable. Another thing I want you to know is this has a solid core roof. So most trailers have a trussed roof, and that means that there's trusses that hold everything up and there's dead air spaces in between. If unfortunately you were to get a water leak, the water comes into the roof and it can kind of run around and look for the low points. This one here, the roof's solid. It's all made out of one-piece block polystyrene foam and it's vacuum bonded. That really gives it some durability, and I'm not saying you can't get a leak, but if you did, your issues would be a lot more isolated with this trailer, and I think that's a real big plus. Come on, let me show you outside. Now, remember I told you this is a trailer with opposing slide outs. So on the kitchen slide over here, we have lots of things going on. We have outside speakers. You can see that this trailer has the frameless windows. These new deep tinted windows are great. They don't transmit heat and cold, and condensation isn't developed the way it is with the typical aluminum frame windows. These are really nice to have. We have an outside kitchen here, and it's even got its own TV set. So if you like to come out and tailgate and watch the game outside, you've got your refrigerator here, a little extra gas grill, a little counter space, and your TV set. It's really nice. As we go around the back side of the trailer, you can look up and see that we're pre-equipped for a backup camera. A lot of people like to have that so they can see what they're backing into with their trailer. It makes it a lot easier. As we go out here, we have another full-size slide out. And so again, with these two slides going out on either side, you get a much roomier trailer, a lot more space to use for a lot of different things. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough on the Apex 294 RLDS. I'd love to show it to you in person or answer your questions if you have any. My name's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me directly at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.